Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we'll be learning how to make Ankara twisted headbands with a bow. Yes, Ankara twisted headband with a bow. And for this tutorial I'll be needing our wording. Here I use the soft wording. You can use the hard one, but I use the soft wording. We'll be needing our fiber. I'll be needing any Ankara of choice. Please mind you, this particular headband can be made with any fabrics of your choice, but I decide to use Ankara. So I already have my measurement cut out. So this first measurement is what we'll be using to make our bow. So, and it measures 14 and a half inches by 11, 14 and a half inches by 11. So that's for the bow, and we'll be having two of that. We are going to be cutting two of that, and we'll set that aside. Yes, we can see I have two of that cut out. Set it aside for the bow. And for the twist, we're going to be cutting out 4 inches by 38 inches length. 4 inches width by 38 inches length. And we're going to be having that in 3 places. We're going to be needing 3 of that. So after that, we're going to be sewing it. We'll turn the wrong side now to sew it just the way I've seen this video. I've already sewn this one. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be turning it out. And here I decided to use my safety pin to turn it out. The same thing I'm doing to this particular one is what we're going to do the rest to. We are needing three pieces of this particular one. So we'll turn it out the other side. So after that, we are going to be sewing our materials for the bow. You can see I've already sewn the two sides, leaving the other side open. We'll fold it into two and sew the two sides. We are going to be leaving the other side, the down part, open to enable us turn the fabric in and out. To enable us turn the fabric out, just the way I'm doing in this video. Yes, we are going to do the same thing to the other one. You know we have two of this. So I also have my wording, my soft wording cut out. I also have two of that. I cut out 10 inches by 7 inches. 10 inches by 7 inches. We'll be needing two of that also. I'm using this so that it will enable us, when I insert it into the material for the bow, it will be a bit puffy. Then this particular one I'm measuring here. No, sorry, we'll not be using this particular measurement. I measured 5 inches by 4. But later I realized that it will not go round for what I want to do. So we're going to be using another measurement that is 10 by 4. I'm going to increase the length. Instead of 5, I'll make it 10. So we'll see what that's we'll see how we'll achieve that as the video, as you're watching the video. Here it's time to stuff in our fiber into the long strip that we have sewn. We are going to stuff in our fiber. Remember this particular one we are going to be doing to be 3. The other two also stuff it in. And when you are stuffing it in this, don't make it too hard and it should be too loose. Stuff it in. Don't make it too hard. Don't stuff in much, like making it look like no. So we'll do that. So the other two also. So we'll have 3 pieces of that. three strip of fabric. So here we are going to, just the way I'm doing in the video, we are going to put the three together like this and take it to our sewing machine and sew it together. You can also use your handmade and thread. So sew it together to make it join together at that edge. Here I've already sewn three stuffed fabric together. The next thing we're going to do is matching. You can do this with the help of someone to hold it for you at that edge in order to help you mat it. Mat it to the end. We're going to mat it from the beginning to the end, just the way I'm doing in this video. And this is, you are going to see the end result after matting. Yes, I've done my matting, and after matting I did the same thing to the other end. So I stitched the three parts together. So here we are going to be joining it like this, placing one side on the other one and sew it down. I did this with the help of my needle and thread. Yes, sew it together. I've done that. Please, if you find this video very useful and helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and interesting videos I'll be dropping. Thank you. And here I've already sewn the part I showed us that we're going to be using for our bow. So I place it on each other and join that side. I'm going to be sewing it together. If you can cut your bow, because I don't have enough material, that is why I have these two pieces, and I want my bow to be big. So I've joined it together. You can cut out one single side for this bow. That's fine. But I did this because I don't have enough fabric. I have to use what is available. So this is how we're going to be forming our bow, folding the pleats on each other like that. So after that our bow is formed. Yes, just like that. Is, you can see it's a bit puffy because of the fiber that I inserted in it. So I ensure that the two sides are equal before, so to enable me get the middle before tacking it. So that is what I did here. I started tacking the middle with my needle and thread, and I decided to, tie it, because it's very hard for the needle to, pass through. So what I did is that I tied it firmly. After I've inserted the needle once, I tied it firmly, and my bow is ready. We can see the bow is ready. So the next thing we're going to be doing is tacking it to our twisted headband. Yes, and we're going to be tacking it on top of that part that we joined, where we stitched, so that it will be hidden. That is where we're going to be tacking our bow on. Exactly what I'm doing in the video. So here is the reason, what I was explaining to you initially, that the fabric I cut initially, the 5 inches by 4, won't go around, because I also want the fabric to cover the stitched parts. I'm not going to make do with the short one. You can see I've increased the size, but the width remained the same. Here we're going to use 10 inches or 8 thereabouts, because I want to wrap both the bow and the headband, the part that I stitched. I want to wrap it. I want it covered, so that they won't see where we finished or where the tackings are showing. So I covered it, and here I used my glue gun. I'll be using my glue gun to glue this place. I don't want any threads to show. I will use my glue gun to gum the fabric, to gum that part. So we are going to be having this beautiful headband. So I realized that as I was about closing it up, I have excess fabric. So that is what you see me trimming off. That part I'm going to is put my glue gun and gum it down first, because it's on fold. I'll gum it down first before placing it. I'll also apply glue gun there and also gum it down. You can see how beautiful this is to make. Our headband is ready. Wow, look at our beautiful headband sitting on my beautiful Sally. I decide to call my dolly Sally. Yes, this is so beautiful. You can rock this. Thank you for watching.